Dr. Buford. We're just getting started on the right shoulder. We're looking in from the back to the front. Everything that you see is magnified 30 or 40 times on the screen. And what you can see here, what we're seeing is your biceps tendon. It's kind of our initial landmark. And it is just to the left of this clear cannula. You can just push it straight back. And it's torn, which is what we expected. So I'm going to put in a shaver here. And then we're going to start the shaver. The blade there just spins around, as you see there. And it's attached to a little bit of suction. So this allows me to smooth out some of these rough areas to really see exactly what needs to be done to make this better for you. Now the torn rotator cuff will be over here. Okay, the rotator cuff tear is right here. This is all torn rotator cuff. We know from our imaging that this is a full thickness tear. And we're not trying to do too much right now. We're just trying to get some of these torn fibers out of the way so we can see the biceps actually. Cleaned up a bit, you can see the hole in the rotator cuff. And we are now going to work on our biceps tenodesis here. Okay, simple now. We're going to go ahead and put in the cannula. We're going to take a spinal needle. We're going to pass this through the biceps tendon. We're actually going to pass it through the biceps tendon twice. There's the first pass. We're going to pass a spinal needle through that. And then we're going to have to grab this spinal needle with something, so we'll have an instrument ready. Grab the shuttle relay, I should say, with something. And then we'll have a grasping instrument to grab this black wire that's going to come through. So through that spinal needle, there's that black wire. That's called the super shuttle. And once we get enough of that in, we can grab it here. Back the needle out. Load that through the suture here. Okay, so that's the first pass. Now we're going to do the same thing one more time. Grasper. Tight, you see how this creates a loop around the biceps. Pause for a second. Now you can see we've got that suture going around the biceps twice. That looks very solid. Now we're going to take a pair of scissors and snip the biceps where it inserts into the labrum down here. front, you've got to look at that rotator cuff again. So let's have a look at that. Here's the chair and the rotator cuff. So we'll keep working on this. The next thing we show you will be from the other side of the tendon. We'll be in an area of the shoulder called the subacromial space. And that's the position from which we fix the tendon. Okay, so here's the hole in the tendon. Let me pull back a little bit. There's the hole in the rotator cuff. We are going to probably place 2 anchors. We're going to start one at a time. We'll have to see how that goes. There's our biceps tendon sutures. Hold on tight. I'll show you some more in just a minute. So here's our spinal needle. This allows us to check our angle of insertion. That looks pretty good. So we're going to make a little incision with a scalpel. And then we're going to take our guide. There's our guide. And we're going to place this exactly where we want to put our first anchor. So we're going to try and get this position like that. Okay, so it looks like we want this first. Anchors placed. We have 3 suture pairs to work with. We're going to take out the blue and white stripe suture first here, just like that. Leave these other ones in place. And so now our first stitch is going to come in from the back. We've got this blue cannula end. The next instrument that we use is called a suture hook. Here it is right here. We'll take a grasper. Our needle coming through the tendon will feed that relay. We'll retrieve it in line here. So now we're going to go ahead and load this. And as we pull back slowly, you see how that flex, see how it brings that blue and white suture there? And over here it's going to come out through our passport device there. Now we're going to reach in and get part of the suture. Okay, so now we're ready to pass the second suture. We have it, the black and white suture inside this cannula. Our first set of sutures are just right there. And now we use the 45-degree turn to the right hook. Just a minute. Okay, so we've tied the first suture, in the process of tying the second. And you can see here on the screen that blue and white suture has already been tied and cut. And now we're working on this black and white suture, which is kind of the middle suture in this repair. tear repaired and all the sutures tied, we're going to make some little holes in the bone here to try and create a healing response and release some of the stem cells in the bone marrow to help in the healing process. So let me show you where we're at here. Got this tear completely repaired. It looks good. Got the biceps sutures tied. As we turn down the pressure on the pump, we'll see if we can watch some of the marrow elements come out here. Again, you can just see things starting to come out. See the holes on the little fat globules start to come out, and you start to see some of the marrow. So that's very good. So we're going to finish up here and get you back to the recovery room shortly, okay? Good luck to you now. Bye-bye.